Hello, good evening to everyone. So today is August 13, 2024, Tuesday. So kung check to the way dito karon sa Information Technology Program. So check pagtuyok nito. Wala na off ang lights. So atong i-lock ang doorknob. Atong i-off ang lights. Asam yung suga ni. Napoy nagsiga. Ano totoo yung ang sweet ano kuan din may suga sod, may ilaw dito sa loob. Ayan, ito pala yung switch. Okay, so naka off na. Okay, then lock. So close unlock na ang main door sa Information Technology Program Office IT Department. Okay, so check the back portion. Kuy. Okay. No problem, there's some good. So take na po diri sarado ng bulb, hindi mo i-open pa. So itong i-close ang bulb diri. Okay, close na. So muna siya, wala itong observation. Pagkanda ko rubbing inspection after nga ang rubbing is out na. So maybe that's all for now. The next video time check is 1956 hours or 7:56 p.m. So again, that's all for now. Thank you very much and good evening again.